Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to invite friends on a Hearthstone mobile application. First of all, open the Hearthstone application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Now from the home page, tap on the friend icon which is located at the top left, and then you will see this Friends tab. Click the little play button right next to your username at the top and then click on Recruit Friends. Now click on Recruit Friends one more time on the pop-up and you will see a link generated for you. Click the copy button right next to the generated link and then you can go ahead and send this link to your friends via any other messaging platforms. Once your friend accepts your request and jumps into the game and reaches level 20, your friend will also be able to get a pack for accepting. And that's how you can easily invite friends in the game using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.